3 power y minus root 3 whole power y plus 4 plus 20 equals 0. Find y. 3 power y minus root 3 whole power y plus 4 plus 20 equals 0. 3 power y minus root 3 equals 3 power 1 by 2. Root 3 whole power y plus 4 equal to 3 power y plus 4 by 2. So 3 power y plus 4 by 2 plus 20 equal to 0. 3 power y by 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 20 equal 0. A power m plus n equals a power m into a power n. 3 power y minus 3 power y by 2. A power m plus n form a power m into a power n. 3 power 4 by 2 equal 3 square plus 20 equal 0. 3 power y minus 3 power y by 2 3 square 9 plus 20 equal 0. Let 3 power y by 2 equal a. 3 power y by 2 equal a. So 3 power y equal to 3 power y by 2 whole square. 2 cancels. So 3 power y by 2 equal to a square. 3 power y equal to a square equal. So a square minus 9 3 power y by 2 equal to a plus 20 equal 0. So this is right factorization form 20 a square. Factors 2 10 ja 5 4 ja. So this is possible to 5 4. Here minus, put in minus a square minus 9a equal to write as minus 5a minus 4a plus 20 equal to 5 4 5 into 4. A is common, a minus 5. Here 4 minus 4 common, a minus 5. A minus 5 common, a minus 4 equal 0. So a minus 5 equal to 0 or a minus 4 equal to 0. A equal to 5 or a equal to 4. So a into a equal to 5 into 4. A into a square equal to 5 4 ja 20. You know that a square equal to 3 power 5. A square equal to 3 power 5. A square equal 3 power 5 equal to 20. A power x equal to n, that a power x equal to n, x equals log n base a. This is observe a power x equal to n, that implies x equal to log n base a. Same this is y equal to log 20 base 3. Y equal log 20 base